On September 23, 2009, India launched 7 satellites in a single mission via the PSLV rocket from Sriharikota, including Indian satellite OceanSat-2 and 6 foreign nanosatellites from Germany, Switzerland and Turkey. OceanSat-2 was designed to collect weather data and proved valuable to the Indian Meteorological Department. The successful launch positioned India as a key player in the global space industry, demonstrating its capabilities in low-cost satellite launches for foreign clients. On 23 September 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, also known as Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, in Ranchi, Jharkhand. The scheme is one of the largest government healthcare initiatives, offering cashless treatment up to Rs 5 lakh per family per year to economically weaker households. Its goal is to provide quality medical care to poor families at no cost, helping millions across India access healthcare services without financial strain. On September 23, 1965, the war between India and Pakistan, which had started in April over territorial disputes, ended with the United Nations mandated ceasefire. Despite Pakistan's attempt to take Kashmir during India's post-1962 war recovery, India's armies successfully captured key areas like Sialkot and Lahore. The final resolution came with the signing of the Tashkent Agreement in January 1966. The war was significant in boosting India's military reputation despite a lack of conclusive territorial gains. Born on 23 September 1908 in Begusarai, Bihar, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar was a renowned Hindi poet, writer and essayist whose work expressed patriotic fervor and revolutionary ideas. Known as the Rashtriya Kavi, Dinkar's poetry embodied themes of nationalism, rebellion and social justice. His critical views often led him to question even Prime Minister Nehru's policies. He was honored with numerous prestigious awards including the Padma Vibhushan, Sahitya Academy Award and Bharatiya Jnanpith Award. Maharaja Hari Singh, born on 23 September 1895, was the last ruling monarch of Jammu and Kashmir. Ascending the throne in 1925, he introduced various social reforms including the revolutionary decision in 1932 to open all temples in the state to Dalits ahead of Gandhi's anti-untouchability campaign. After the partition of India and Pakistan in 1947, Maharaja Hari Singh signed the Instrument of Accession, merging Jammu and Kashmir with India amidst rising conflict over the region. Mary Mellon, also known as Typhoid Mary, was born on 23 September 1869 in Northern Ireland. She was the first person to be forcibly quarantined as a healthy carrier of typhoid fever. As a cook in New York, she unknowingly infected several families with typhoid between 1900 and 1907. After being identified as the source of these outbreaks, she was quarantined in 1907 and again in 1915 when she violated the conditions of her release. Mellon's case became a landmark in public health history, highlighting the ethical dilemmas of disease control. The Battle of Haifa, fought on 23 September 1918, was a crucial victory for Indian soldiers under the British Army during World War I. In this battle, the Indian cavalry bravely defeated Ottoman and German forces using horses, swords, and spears against machine guns to liberate Haifa, now in Israel. The battle marked the end of 400 years of Ottoman rule in the city. Haifa Day is celebrated every year in honor of the Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives for this victory, and their heroism is commemorated with a monument in Delhi.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.